Hi friends, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the different types of financial markets. Financial markets are classified on the basis of maturity of financial instruments traded in them. The instruments with a maturity of less than 1 year are traded in the money market. The instruments with a longer maturity are traded in the capital market. Financial markets can be divided into two: money market and capital market. Capital market can be again divided into two: primary market and secondary market. As per Reserve Bank of India, a market for short-term financial assets that are close substitute for money facilitates the exchange of money in primary and secondary market. A mechanism that deals with lending and borrowing of the short-term funds is money market. Money market is a segment of financial market in which financial instruments with highly liquidity and very short maturities are traded. Money market is a market for short-term funds which deals in monetary assets whose period of maturity is up to 1 year. Example: treasury bills, call money, commercial paper, and certificate of deposits. The features of money market instruments are close substitute for money, short-term debt instrument, low risk, and high liquidity. Money market instruments are highly unsecured. Money market has no physical location, but it is an activity conducted over the telephone and through the internet. It enables the raising of short-term funds for meeting the temporary shortage of funds or cash and obligations, and the temporary deployment of excess for earning returns. The major participants in the money market are Reserve Bank of India, commercial banks, non-banking finance companies, state governments, large corporate houses, and mutual funds. Next important type of financial market is capital market. The capital market offers both term and overnight funds. Capital market refers to facilitates an institutional arrangement through which medium and long-term funds, both debt and equity, are raised and invested. It consists of a series of channels through which savings of the community are made available for industrial and commercial enterprises and for the public in general. It directs these savings into their most productive use, leading to growth and development of the economy. The capital market can be again divided into two. They are primary market and secondary market. The major participants in the capital market are corporate entities, stock exchange, development banks, commercial banks, financial institutions, foreign investors, and ordinary retail investors from the members of the public. An ideal capital market is one where finance is reasonable at cost. The various instruments used in capital market are equity shares, preference shares, debentures, bonds, etc. Capital market securities are considered liquid investments because they are marketable on the stock exchange. However, they are less liquid. A share may not be actively traded, that is, it may not easily find a buyer. Capital market instruments are riskier both with respect to returns and principal payment. Issuing companies may fail to perform as per the projections and promoters may defraud investors. The investment in capital markets yields a higher return of investors than money markets. Money market and capital market. These are the important types or classification of financial market. Capital market can be again divided into primary market and secondary market.